on the 30th of March 2025. Here we have Saaristenkatu 3 stuck as C. And also we should fill the stages and be like tomorrow. It's also in Hämeenlinna tavasta hus. Mutta Häme Helsingin tavasta land. Finland. Right? With event fixtures. So versus 62856. Let's try to answer. But was it finished in 1984 or?
83.
Oh, okay.
Is bitbike-wise that made by Kone?
So it does have memory, not the ones I didn't use.
Yeah.
Although I should have memories in lessons.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's